Mitro Namaskar. Today is the very great day. On this occasion, I want to tell about the great Indian mathematician, the man who knew infinity, Srinivas Ramanujan. Everybody you know about this great mathematician, that is Indian mathematician. I want to tell you something on the occasion of his birthday. A great mathematician Sri Nivasa Ramanujan was born 22 December 1887 in the Erode, India. Indian mathematician whose contribution to the theory of numbers, including pioneering discoveries of the properties of the partition function. Once upon a time, the British mathematician G. H. Hardy, who had gone to visit Sri S. Ramanujan in hospital by a taxi. The number of taxi is 1729, that is 1729. Sri Ramanujan saw this number and he tell it is a not ordinary number. This is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of two different cubes in two different bases. That is, you can see that here 1729 can be expressed as the cube of 10 plus cube of 7. Dear, you know that very well. The cube of 7 is 729 and the cube of 10 is 1000. So the sum of these cube give you 1729. 1729 also expressed as the cube of 12 and the cube of 1. You know that the cube of 12 is 1728 and the cube of 1 is 1 only. So the sum of these cubes give you 1729. So this number known as the Hardy number, and this is the smallest number can be expressed in the sum of cube of two numbers. So dear, on the occasion of the birthday of Sri S. Ramanujan, that is Sri Nivasa Ramanujan, I want to organize a mathematics quiz. The link of the quiz you can get just into the description box, just into the Google form. So dear, participate in this quiz on the occasion of Sri S. Ramanujan. He was the great Indian mathematician. So this is the National Mathematics Day. So happy National Mathematics Day to all of you, and wish you all the best.